we're gonna attempt to one wheel in the snow. So we're gonna head downtown, and depending on how this works, if it works great, we're gonna get downtown, get some coffee, and then do some downtown photography in the fresh snow. This is our first real big snowfall of the year. It's supposed to snow all day, so that'll be fun. If it doesn't work, then we'll come back and we'll take the bus downtown and we'll figure it all out later. Don't know where the sidewalk is. All right, it's been a few hours. I don't know how bad the roads got. I can't imagine they've gotten any better. So we'll see how many times we fall riding the one wheel on the way home. All right, made it pretty good, almost home. I'm gonna put it to the test one time here, going over what's normally grass. So it should be a little thicker snow, and it's steep. So we're gonna see how it holds up here. Oh boy. Oh, it's doing really, really well. So it actually does pretty good through kind of thicker snow. Can't be good for it, but I bought this thing to ride it. First snow ride on the one wheel. Pretty good. Gonna keep going all winter.